Overlord sends your art from Photoshop to After Effects, but now you can transfer image sequences, because selecting frames from an image sequence will transfer them to After Effects. No problem. With sharp enough eyes, you might have caught the new Timelord button. Click it, and if your PSD has a timeline, it will begin processing that frame sequence to transfer to After Effects. Selecting multiple sequence layers in Photoshop will take a little bit longer to process, but each one will generate its own PNG sequence to be imported right into After Effects as individual layers. From here, you can work with each layer like footage to fit your shot and the project. Animating the hard way, but way easier with Overlord, or Timelord. Oh no, Overlord.